Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so grateful to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, Soulful Summit is all about exploring introspective and motivational topics to help you live your best life. So, grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive into today's topic, spring cleaning your life. Now, when we think of spring cleaning, we often envision decluttering our physical spaces. But have you ever considered clearing mental clutter? Our minds can become overwhelmed with thoughts, worries, and distractions, which can hinder our ability to find inner peace and live in the present moment. So, let's talk about practices for mindfulness and inner peace. One powerful technique is meditation. Taking just a few minutes each day to sit in silence, focusing on your breath, can do wonders for your mental clarity. It allows you to observe your thoughts without judgment and create space for new, positive energy to flow in. Another practice is journaling. Writing down your thoughts, fears, and dreams can help you gain clarity and release any emotional baggage you may be carrying. It's like giving your mind a fresh start, allowing you to let go of what no longer serves you and make room for new possibilities. But it's not just about clearing mental clutter. It's also about cultivating inner peace. One way to do this is through gratitude. Taking time each day to reflect on what you're grateful for can shift your perspective and bring more joy into your life. It's a reminder to focus on the positive and appreciate the little things that often go unnoticed. Now, I know that clearing mental clutter and practicing mindfulness can be challenging. Our minds are constantly bombarded with information and distractions. But I want to challenge you to make it a priority. Set aside a few minutes each day to engage in these practices and watch how it transforms your life. Imagine waking up each morning with a clear mind, ready to embrace the day ahead. Imagine feeling a sense of peace and contentment, no matter what challenges come your way. It's possible, my friends, and it starts with spring cleaning your mind. So, as we enter this new season, I encourage you to take the time to clear mental clutter, practice mindfulness, and cultivate inner peace. Your mind is like a garden, and it's up to you to tend to it. Nurture it with love, kindness, and positivity, and watch it bloom into something truly beautiful. If you've enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more inspiring content. Remember, you have the power to create the life you desire. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep shining your light.